everyone. In today's video, we're going to take a close look at the paid ChatGPT and free Hugging Chat. We'll go step by step, exploring various features, searches, and interactions within the browser. Let's dive in. Good morning to every one of you. Launch Chrome first. Tap the search icon after that. Then look up Chat. Locate the Chat window and log in. We're utilizing 3.5 in its free edition. If we notice that the most recent version, the Plus, has a price, go back to the GPT window and look up information such as the name of India's prime leader. The response indicates that the last updated GPT was in January 2022, and that information is limited to those dates. Okay, let's proceed to the next search. We'll look for the cricket player who won the ICC World Cup this time. We will support Australia in the Answer Cup, but we will side with England, the victor of that match. Another technology that will be shown to us is called Hugging Chat. This is a more advanced version of GPT. By starting a new tab and typing in the Hugging Chat search, it enables us to search the internet. There, we'll see a window that looks like ChatGPT and allows us to search just like we would in ChatGPT. The answers to the same question, who is the Prime Minister of India, are too archaic, 2021. We will examine the process of enabling web-based search since we desire the most up-to-date data. This button activates the web search. We shall then look for the Indian Prime Minister once more. This is great. It searches the web for the answer we discovered online. We'll observe the online response to the second query. We'll see, who won the ICC, suggested that Australia had won the match. Which this the correct without having to spend a single rupee, we were given the results. But we still need to wait. But if you using Premium GTP, which was quicker and included online searches. But this is exclusive to those that desire free. I'm hoping that at least one person will find this movie useful. I appreciate your AI Pocket.